Farmers of the UK, the clock is ticking. I'm Matt Benton, MKB Environment Services, and I'm here to give you an update on our grain store clean and treatment services for 2020. Now, we're facing sort of challenging times with coronavirus, weather conditions, etc. And with that in mind, we're going to be taking precautions ourselves to protect our workforce and to protect yours. We will obviously be wearing suitable PPE. We will be carrying out social distancing, which isn't difficult because no one ever wants to come and see us in the dirty, dusty grain stores anyway. But on leaving your premises as well, we will be wiping down touch surfaces just to make it that added security to your workforce and to ours. Now, we can be contacted on 01507 3111 95. We cover the whole of the UK, but please be aware we do book up fast. We have customers who book us year in, year out, and we want to help you be well prepared for harvest 2020 to protect your hard-earned income and to protect that crop coming into storage. So contact us 01507 3111 95.